This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. This home has so much to offer. 4 bedrooms with a separate upstairs bonus room, laundry room with washer and dryer upstairs on the bedroom level, 2.5 baths with a rough-in for another full bath in the basement, separate living, dining, family and great rooms, hickory hardwood floors, gas fireplace, large 16 by 20 trex deck with a fenced-in backyard, built-in shed underneath the deck, rear patio, full unfinished basement and a 2-car garage. All this on a great lot that backs up to trees for some privacy. Easy to show, so schedule a private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Butler at 304-263-2121.